How to deliver orders on Fiverr correctly. First of all, once you complete your client's work, review everything carefully. Make sure the final file is error-free, well formatted, and exactly matches what was mentioned in the buyer's requirement. Accuracy and attention to detail help you earn better reviews. Next, go to the order section on Fiverr and open the active order you want to deliver. At the bottom, click on the Deliver Now button. A delivery box will appear where you can upload your completed files. Attach all the required documents, whether it's a video file, image, text document, or project folder, depending on the gig type. Make sure the file is properly named and easy for the buyer to access. After uploading, write a short, polite delivery message. Before you click Deliver Work, double-check the attachments and your message. Once you are sure everything looks perfect, hit the Deliver Work button to send it to your client. After delivery, keep an eye on your inbox. If the buyer requests a revision, respond quickly and make the necessary changes. Now you know how to deliver orders on Fiverr correctly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.